The fun of poker. There are artful explanations for the 54 poker cards. The big wizard stands for the sun, the little wizard stands for the moon. The rest cards are for the 52 weeks in the year. Plus 44 respectively stand for the spring, summer, autumn and winter. Each pattern has 13 cards, which means each season contains 13 weeks. Q and K is seen as 11, 12 and 13, the big wizard and little wizard is seen as 0. 5. The total is exactly 365 days. It means happiness in every day. Poker may be the simplest but most complicated game in the cultural history of the human being. It is a universal entertainment language which is beneficial to the mental and physical development, which helps to make friends and to create harmonious society. Now the growth of poker culture has enriched people's life for its intelligence, education, art and entertainment functions. People can know the history, enjoy the entertainment reward, and appreciate collection fun. Meanwhile, it is new communication medium and broadcast carrier which implies boundless business opportunities and endless intentions. The small poker world contains broad world.